This is Divakar again, and we are back with Unlearn Relearn English. There are 6 words which we are going to use today, and we are going to learn the pronunciation of it. There are many different pronunciation which we usually use for these 6 words, but the exact pronunciations which I am going to tell you are stove. Stove is nothing but the gas burner which we use in our kitchen. So it's not stove, it's stove. Then we have flour. It is not flour. The atta which I am talking about in the kitchen, it's not flour, it's flour. Then we have wound. It's not wound, it's wound. Wound matlab ghav. Then we have swallow, nigalna. Right? It's not swallow, it's swallow. Then we have suite. It is the highest luxurious room in the hotel. It's not suite, it's suite. Then we have dough. Dough is atta. Gutha hua atta, right? It's dough, nothing else. So we have learned 6 words, pronunciation of 6 words: stove, flour, wound, swallow, sweet, dough. Thank you. Subscribe the channel, and in comments if you want to know anything, please let me know. Thank you.